This tutorial will show us how to create a new QuickBooks file. Here you select your QuickBooks. In this example, I'm running QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus 2018. This will work for any PC-based desktop version of QuickBooks. This includes the Mac version if you're running it on Parallels. If you select the QuickBooks and don't have a company file, simply walk through the business setup. If you already have other existing company files, you'll need to select File, New Company, and walk through the same setup process. Here we will do that. Select Start Setup, and here you'll need to enter your authentication credentials for your Intuit account. After authentication, you'll need to come in and enter in your business information. Select your industry. What the industry does is QuickBooks will start out a recommended chart of accounts based off of the industry selection made. Financial services other than accounting or bookkeeping might be the most common for a lending company or a banking institution. Select the United States-based tax filing entity and enter in your EIN. Enter your business address. If you skip the business address, you may have issues with the QuickBooks Web Connector. We suggest that you create this at the time of the company setup. And select Create Company. Looks like it identified my EIN as a fake EIN. There we go, it needed proper formatting. And select Create Company again. This will walk through a multi-step process to actually create the company file and save it in the designated location based off of your QuickBooks configuration and setup on your PC. There's multiple configuration options, which include the ability to host and save the company file on the localized machine, on some version of a network, a virtual network, a virtual private network, or you can also do hosting through a third-party subscription as well. For the easiest process, we suggest that you do either a spoke and hub model or directly on the PC that you're going to access from. If you choose a spoke and hub model, then you will need to run the Web Connector and have QuickBooks installed on both the server, the hub, as well as each one of the spokes. You will only access the QuickBooks through the multi-user mode, or you can do remote access to the hub. It is the most common in networking to do a spoke and hub, to have the QuickBooks installed on the server with the Web Connector running on that server, and then having each spoke simply access but not running the QuickBooks Web Connector. This concludes the first tutorial of how to set up a QuickBooks file directly inside of QuickBooks Desktop. In the next tutorial, we will go over how to install the QuickBooks Web Connector, as well as how to do other processes like configure a chart of accounts, items and services, and any other configuration. Thank you for watching.